opening up that hip a little bit more, okay? So you got a nice 90-degree angle here. We're working a lot into stretching that internal rotation of the hip. And when we're going to get a nice stretch, think about 2 minutes just sitting there, trying to get you to relax so we can get nice and deep into the hip joint, so then we can do some PAILs and RAILs. Okay? So the PAILs and RAILs right here will be that we want to make sure that this hip doesn't lose the angle, so the pelvis is not going to shift forward. We're going to keep the pelvis in a line. We will try to think that everything we're stretching right now is all that inside tissue. Feel that? Mm-hmm. Yeah, feel that stretching in here. So, with the PAILs and RAILs, I want you guys to take a lot of tension into your stomach. Think about keeping that belly button up, thinking about pushing this hip, this pelvis down onto the floor. Squeeze into the ground with your knee, squeeze into the ground with your ankle, around 50-60%. Keep a lot of tension in your body. Keep squeezing down. Don't lose this angle of the hip. This is really good angle. Squeeze for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when we're going to do rails contraction, don't let this hip lift up. Bring it back. Just try to engage all this outside tissue. If you can't lift that leg, just try to push up onto that toe. Lift that ankle slightly up and feel everything onto that outside all the way into the glutes here. Contract to feel a little bit more stretch into that internal rotation. So actively we're engaging all the muscles here to get a bit more of a rails contraction. Then slowly go down and then slowly try to feel a little bit more